What's up, DFW? Today we're talking about the inevitable hail in North Texas and how to repair damage with Dent Squad USA.
Here in DFW, we are lucky to enjoy the sunshine, but we all know that can change in an instant, and when storms come barreling through, they can bring damaging hail with them. But if your car gets hit hard, don't worry, Dent Squad USA can save the day. I'm here with owner Joe Davis, and he's going to tell us why we should come to Dent Squad.
You should come to Dent Squad to get the hail damage repaired for a number of reasons. There's a couple ones. The main reason probably is our experience. We've been in business since 1994. Over that time, we've fixed thousands upon thousands of hail damaged cars. We've got thousands of satisfied customers. Also, the past 3 years, we've won Best Auto Dent Removal and Best of Frisco. Just last year, we also won the Reader's Choice Award for Frisco.
And you guys offer a great warranty along with your work. So
that's
that's
right.
Another reason to come. Can you tell me about it?
With our work, we offer a lifetime warranty, and that covers the hail damage that is repaired by Dent Squad. It's good for as long as you own your vehicle.
How long is it going to take from start to finish to get it back?
What I tell people is 7 to 10 business days from beginning to end. To physically repair the damage on the car, you're looking at probably 2, maybe 3 days. However, it does take 7 to 10 business days to do some other things, like deal with your insurance company, maybe order parts that may or may not be on back order, and work with your insurance. Mainly takes up the most part of that, 7 to 10 days.
I'm really glad that you mentioned insurance. Does it cover hail damage?
Absolutely. Your insurance, as long as you have full coverage, it will cover hail damage repair.
I have a secret to tell you. I'm a procrastinator. Do you know, should I get done now? Should I wait for another storm to hit? What's the best practice for that?
You want to do it as soon as possible. There's a couple of reasons. First reason is there are limits to what paintless dent repair can do. If you've been hit with one storm, typically we can repair that. But if you've been hit with multiple storms, maybe 2 or 3 storms, then that might be something we have to refer to a body shop.
Okay, so do you know if my rates are going to go up?
Your rates may go up slightly, although your insurance company won't target you specifically. They have to recoup the money they pay out, the millions of dollars every year. So whether you make a claim or whether you don't, your rates are probably going to go up a tad.
Now we can get golf ball size, baseball size. What's the biggest hail damage repair you guys can do?
Well, we have seen some that have been softball or grapefruit size, where the dents are not as deep, but typically golf ball size is the ideal size.
All right, well, next hailstorm, you're my guy.
Thank you.
Want more information? All you have to do is log on to dentsquadusa.net or call 214-664-1027. Plus, if you mention this segment, you'll get a free car detail worth $100 along with your repair. I'm Karen Jones, and that's What's Up, DFW.